Exercise 4.4 sixth sum. In figure, O is the center of the circle with radius 5 cm. T is a point such that OT is 13. OT is 13 cm. And OT intersects the circle at E. OT intersects the circle at E. If AB is the tangent to the circle at E, find the length of AB. So here AB is a tangent. So this is perpendicular to the radius. That is OE is perpendicular to AB. OE is perpendicular to AB as AB is a tangent to the circle and OE is a radius. At the point of contact, these two are perpendicular. And then we have got that OT is 13 and OE is the radius. So this is 5. So OT is 13 centimeter. OE is the radius, which is 5 centimeter. So ET is 13 minus 5 centimeter. That is 8 centimeter. So ET is 8 centimeter. Then AP and AE are tangents from A to the circle. So from an external point we can draw two tangents. Those two are equal. So AP is equal to AE. And here also BQ is equal to BE. Then as the triangles TAE and TBE, triangle TBE are congruent. That is, see, these two angles are equal and this line is common and these two angles are equal. See, angle, side angle. So ASA, according to ASA, these two are congruent. So we can say that side AE is equal to side BE. Corresponding sides are equal. So AE is equal to BE. So let us name it as X. So AB can be split as AE plus BE, which is X plus X, 2X. So we have to find the length of AB. We have to find 2X. That is, after finding X, we are going to know what is AB. Then in triangle OTP, we have right angle here. That is, P is 90 degree. Angle P is 90 degree. In this triangle, angle P is 90 degree because this is a radius and this is a tangent. At the point of contact, they are perpendicular to each other. So angle P is 90 degree. So we can use Pythagoras theorem, that which says this is the hypotenuse. OT is hypotenuse. So 13 square is equal to OP square 5 square plus TP square. So TP square is equal to 169 minus 25, which is 144. So TP is equal to 12 centimeter. So TP is 12 centimeter. So we have to see AP is x. AP and AE are equal, where AE is equal to x. So AP is also equal to x. So this is AT is TP minus PA. So taking from TP, taking out PA, we get AT. So TP is 12 centimeter minus PA is x. So AT can be named as 12 minus x. Now, in this triangle AET, in triangle AET, we have got a right angle here. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem. It says AT square, hypotenuse square, is equal to AE square plus ET square. AT is found to be 12 minus x. AE is our x plus ET is 8. So expanding 144 plus x square minus 2 into 12, 24 into x is equal to x square plus 64. Cancelling x square both sides, we get 144 minus 24x is equal to 64. Taking 24x that side and 64 this side, we get positive 24x and 144 minus 64. So subtracting, we get 80. So 24x is 80. So x is equal to, we need to get 2x. So dividing by 12, we get 2x. So 80 by 12. So cancelling by 4, we get 20 by 3. So 2x, which is needed. 2x is our AB. So length of AB is 20 by 3. So length of AB is 20 by 3 centimeter.